right, we are open. What is going on, guys? Market opened a few minutes ago, 8:38. What am I seeing on open? On open, I'm kind of not seeing anything crazy. M&Q is above these highs and ES is not, but we had this fair value gap to 24th. I kind of want to see us go higher, honestly, but that's what I want to see. See what actually happens. Alright, let's go down to the 5-minute. Alright, so let's look on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, this is strong continuation. Check news. Friday. Bank holidays. No news. Okay. It just screams continuation. We're in a really good spot here. Why does it scream continuation? Well, we got these lows right here. I'll ping it, not ping it. I'll mark it out on the charts here. Right there. That SMT is already fulfilled though, but so it doesn't really matter anymore. What does matter is that we're still going up. This isn't terrible though. It's 8:41. Jeez, we have to go like all the way back here for draws. That's insane. These are like all time over here. That's insane. We're doing well right now. It's good. Yeah, I think those are all time. Interesting. Well, we're probably not going to hit that. What's this about? Interesting. Yeah, NQ's way below that point. Interesting. That's very interesting. Jeez, how far back is this? This is so far back. It's insane. I guess those are technically all-time highs, so. Watch us just like miss our entry because of that. That'd be pretty funny. Nope, we didn't miss anything. Five minutes about to close. Okay, very cool, very nice, very nice. Two stacked for value gaps here. Really all I'm waiting for, if I take a trade today, would be how we react off these stacked for value gaps. Interesting. Well, we've only moved like 30 points at open, so that's good. Actually not true. We moved like 50 or 60. This could be it. Definitely looking for a continuation. Definitely. It's Friday, so it's also the day after Christmas, so we got to play this pretty slow. Just kind of got to sit here. Kind of got to sit here and wait. It's fine, though. Nothing wrong with just sitting and waiting. I love doing this. I love just watching this move. That's good. So what I want to see is I got to see a better retrace than this. Thank you. Could not even be a retrace. Inverse for value gap right here. All right. All right. Well, that's why we wait. Holy cow. That's a crazy... Okay, well, obviously I'm bearish now. Kind of confirms my suspicion. We'll see, though. Interesting. Wow. Here's what I need to see here. Holy cow. I'd like for this 5 minutes to close first. I don't like that right there. All right. I haven't said anything for a little bit, but what is this trade basically based off of? Okay. Infrastructure, we have um, we have that retrace right there, which was nice in this 5 minute. I like how we reacted off that. I like everything about this. Because if we were bullish, we would have had to we would have had to break this up here, and then it would have entered long. But made a 1 minute bullish SMT. That's not good. Not to say we couldn't go higher, but we'll see what happens. If I lose this, I'll have to look into it. But this is pretty good for my inverse. Yeah, we could retrace back up to no. Yeah, this is fine. We're fine here. Hands off. I got my stop. So I stop at 10 cons, 28 points. What is 50 cents a tick? $5 a point. $5.60, so normal risk. Oh, what was that? That was not just the wind. And we got this bearish S&T on the 5-minute as well, and we completely ran through these fair value gaps. So what I want to watch here is this. My stop is even above that, so my stop's actually in a really good spot, believe it or not. Believe it or not, my stop's actually in an incredible spot. So if we're wrong, we will be wrong. But we'll see. And then we'll leave a runner. Because if we hit that, then we could potentially go way lower. We go way, way lower. Nice. Nice. We're getting good pushes down now. Once we get here, this one I get a little bit nervous. Holy cow, what the heck is going on? Oh my gosh. Okay. We got growing pains. Holy cow, bro. We're gonna hold the line here. Okay, we're pretty well protected here. Jeez. Okay, we gotta figure out these runners here. This is insane. $4.24. It's a really good trade. That's like, we already hit our 1-to-1 and we're not even... Holy... Am I just the king or what? Holy volatility, bro. Volatility works both ways, but... You got the growing pains. Okay, well, we... That was some crazy PA. I haven't seen PA that crazy. I mean, that just like... We took some out at the 1-to-1. and we took the rest out at our 1.5, and then we took some more out right here. And we only left like a $50 runner. Wow. Holy cow. Probably going to get stopped out here. Holy cow. You had to leave that runner though. This was a worth it runner. This is what I call a worth it runner. We took out like 90%. Took down 4 at the 488. That's pretty good. Like I said, we're going to leave this runner for the day. This is how we do it. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, this was like... Obviously, we could have entered a little higher, but I had to see how this candle closed, and after I saw how that candle closed, it was perfect. Should I have taken everything out at the 1.5? Maybe. I'm okay with the runner though here, because it's only like 60-80 bucks. I mean, we're at 488. You're at like 864. So it's like a 600 something trade. But we get stopped out here probably. We made an SMT off of London lows. I could see us getting stopped out here, especially because we inverse this. But we also do have this unstacked on top of it, because that was the craziest candle price action I've seen in a long time. That was really nice. I wanted to pull out my profits here. I really did. But I waited. That's what you get. You gotta wait. All right, let's go to this account. Resync that. I think we're still negative on the week. Only $124. If this runner hits, we'll be positive on the week. So this is good. It's bigger than all my other trades, and we risked even less than we did on the other ones. I don't know how we managed to do that, though. I guess that makes sense, yeah. So, yeah, we're going to kind of hold this for the day. Pretty good day today. Went to take profit pretty immediately. The Monday, Tuesday, huge losses. We came back and we recovered. And that's really all you can do. Is our win-loss is better on that. Our day win's better. Our trade win rate went up. But that's all you can really do. That was a good trade. I gotta set these take profits here. I got one con. So if I can get this to $117, I don't really care about having a negative week. I'm not that type of person to care about that. Negative weeks don't matter to me. What matters is we set a good take profit here. Because if this runner does hit, then if it doesn't hit, we're still over our 1-to-1, which is good because our win rate's decently high. And if it does hit, then we'll be way over our 1-to-1, which is good. we could potentially hit our 1 at 2. We're up $40 at 23. I kind of want to leave this as a day runner, but we'll see what we're doing on the 5-minute here. We're so protected right now. Where's the 4-hour low? Anyways, that's all. And hope you guys have a great weekend.